In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on your Steam account using a Windows PC step by step. This is super useful if you want to buy games faster, skip re-entering your card details every time, or get ready for a big Steam sale without any delays. I'll walk you through the exact place to go in the Steam app, what to click, and how to save your payment details securely. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Steam desktop client on your Windows PC. Make sure you are signed into the correct Steam account before you continue, especially if you use more than one account. Once Steam opens, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your account name or profile picture. This will open a menu with several account options. From that menu, click Account Details. This is where Steam stores your purchase and billing information, and it's also where you can manage your payment methods. On the Account Details page, look for the section called Store and Purchase History. Inside that section, you should see an option that says Add a payment method to this account. If you already have a payment method saved and want to change it, this link may instead say Update Payment Method. Either way, this is the correct place to manage it. Now click that option. Steam will take you to the payment setup screen where you can choose how you want to pay. Depending on your region, you may see options like credit card, debit card, PayPal, or other supported payment services. Select the method you want to add, then carefully enter your payment details. If you are using a card, type in the card number, expiration date, security code, and any other required information. If you're using PayPal or another connected service, Steam may redirect you to sign in and approve the connection. Next, make sure you enter your billing address correctly. This needs to match the address linked to your payment method, so double check the spelling, postcode, and country before continuing. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you from payment errors later. Once everything looks correct, click Continue to save the information. Steam will then process your payment method and store it securely on your account. After that, you'll be able to use it for future purchases, wallet top-ups, and game checkouts without having to enter everything again each time. If you want to confirm that it worked, you can go back to account details and check that your new payment method is listed there. And that's it. You've now added a payment method to your Steam account on Windows PC. It only takes a couple of minutes, but it makes buying games and adding funds much easier in the future. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.